Hi there, students. To refute, a refutation as the noun. Okay, to refute is to say that something somebody is saying is wrong, to reject something. So to refute an accusation. I refute your accusation. I think that's totally false. It's totally wrong. To refute, to prove something is false, particularly by giving evidence that proves it's not true. To refute an argument, to refute a theory. Okay, so I did some experimentation, and my experiment gave clear evidence that the theory was wrong. So my investigation refuted the theory to prove something is wrong, to show that it's wrong. Okay, to deny or contradict something. So this refutes everything you're saying. It contradicts, it rejects it. And to refute, to disprove, to rebut as well. Okay, so the journalist accused him of dishonesty, and his refutation was full of loud protestation. He refuted it very loudly, very strongly. Okay, so to refute an argument, to prove that it's true, to prove that it's unwrong. Yeah, very often it's difficult to refute rumors because rumors don't thrive on evidence. Yeah, to discredit something, to discredit a point of view, a theory, to discredit a statement. Okay, so yeah, he refuted everything that I said to prove that something is erroneous, to give proof, to show that something is not true, to show it's untrue by argument. Yeah, to deny the accuracy of something, to say that it's not true. Okay, so I would like to refute what you're saying, to counter, to discredit, to prove false. Yeah, to blow it out of the water, if you like. Okay, so a refutation is when you refute something, you show it's incorrect. Yeah, you deny the truth of something. I think some purists might not be happy with this, deny the correctness of something. He tried to refute everything I said, but what I was saying was logical, and I had evidence to back it up. Yeah. When people are desperate, they try to refute the evidence that is clear and obvious and direct in their face. Okay. Okay, it was the truth of what he said was irrefutable, impossible to prove that was wrong, impossible to say that it wasn't valid. Okay, so he in territorial claims between countries, one country says this piece of land is mine, and the other one refutes it to say that it's not true, that it's not a valid claim. To refute, formality. I think I would give this a 6.5 in formality. I think informally, to prove wrong, to disprove. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, refuto, to refute, to repress, to check. Yeah, re again, and futo, to beat. Yeah, okay, so I guess you beat it again. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If I've said anything you disagree with, please refute it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To refute, a refutation.